Hey everyone, hand-waving welcome to Asterisk. Build your first app in 7 minutes. Using AI. No code, Asterisk. Today I'll show you how to turn your idea into a real app using AI. No coding required. Whether you want a productivity tool, a chatbot, or even a small game, AI makes it faster and easier. Let's dive in. Start with your idea. Ask, what problem does my app solve? Who is it for? What's one unique feature? Example, a study timer app for students with reminders and AI tips. Don't overthink. You can even ask ChatGPT to brainstorm features or names. Next is design. Tools like Figma with AI plugins, Canva, or Uwizard can make app screens from prompts. Type something like minimalist timer app with blue tones and get layouts instantly. Now you've got a quick prototype to refine. Time to build. Instead of coding everything, use no-code platforms. Glide for simple apps from spreadsheets, Thunkable for drag-and-drop mobile apps, Bubble for powerful web apps, Appypie for quick builds. These now have AI assistants. In Bubble, you can say, make a login page and dashboard with a timer, and it builds the base. Then you tweak details visually, not with code. What makes modern apps special is AI features. Examples: add a ChatGPT chatbot for Q&A, use image recognition with Google Vision, add text-to-speech for accessibility, give personalized recommendations with AI APIs. Most no-code builders let you connect these in a few clicks. Once your app works, test it. Share with friends or forums like Reddit. Ask, is it easy to use? Does it solve the problem? What's missing? AI tools like Maze can even analyze feedback to speed up improvements. Now, launch. No-code platforms let you publish to the web.